first attempt.
What are you doing, Stasman?
So I've got a coffee machine and I'm trying to make some coffee, but who knows if it'll work or not. That's not...
Go, Gadget.
Looks a little bit weak to me yet.
Does it? Have a look.
Not so sure.
Well, this is Stacey's first attempt at using a coffee machine,
I think it
everyone.
looks pretty
So.
shit, actually. It was weak as piss.
What? Can you not swear? This is a Christian. Oh no. Thank you. See what I have to deal with, people.
So I think if you
This
stop
is
doing that,
hilarious.
but this is the best bit, that you
Right.
put that in there.
Yeah. I think I'll just have a cup of tea. Right, everyone. Cameraman's got to go over to the kettle. Look at the steam on that. That's me blowing off steam in a minute. Right. No wonder they sold it, right? They sold you a good machine, right? I know.
Maybe I'll put too much.
I will actually edit this, so don't worry about it. I'll take your swearing out, alright? No. What's that on the side then that you're doing there?
That's the milk, the hot milk.
Right, so where'd you put your milk?
But,
Oh, it's made it.
you see, it's like a coffee like that.
Cappuccino, man. Let me taste it. I'll tell you if it's coffee, man. I drink loads of this.
What do you mean? You know shit.
That's it. That is it, B.
So this light looks for your steam now, hottens your milk,
Right.
warms it all up for you.
Right.
Like that.
Alright.
And then you put that in there for like a proper
Well, what's that?
frothy coffee.
What's that? Frothy coffee.
Brilliant.
Well done, you.